Hi, this is how you enable the child lock functionality on the Airmega 350 and 450 air purifiers to make sure that your lovely little one or ones don't mess with your clean air. This here is an Airmega 350, but the process is exactly the same on the 450 as well. To do this, first make sure that the purifier is turned on. Then locate and push the light button for just over 3 seconds, after which a little lock symbol appears on the display. With this function enabled, no buttons on the unit does anything when pressed. A little annoyance here though is that when you do press any of the buttons, they make this horrible double beep sound that actually sounds more than the normal beep sound coming from the machine. So if you don't want to be driven completely insane if your child keeps pushing these buttons, you can actually mute all of these sounds coming from the device by first disabling the child lock by again pressing the light button for 3 seconds. Then push and hold both the fan speed button and the light button for about 3 more seconds, whereupon a little crossed out speaker symbol appears on the display. After this, just enable the child lock again to get a bit of a more quiet operation out of it. Alright, that is about that. Thank you for watching. Bye.